Have you ever wished to bring the warm glow of an artisanal tavern sign into your living space? You've come to the right place. This tutorial will lead you through building, coding, and wiring your own glowing tavern sign. We make it easy by using the powerful Feather ESP32 and the versatile WLED software, which makes it easy to add animations and control them over Wi-Fi or with an infrared remote. Head over to learn.adafruit.com and embark on your journey to craft your masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more inspiration.